Welcome back to Forza Motorsport. A new update. It's officially out, and we have three new cars to this month's update. But we also have in the list the Jordan 3 Camaro is here, but we're not going to be checking out the update. We're going to be checking out this car that's on the screen right now, so let's jump into it. Bone stock, it's 525 horsepower. Yeah, let's jump into this. Unfortunately, I don't have any fun facts for this car. I will have to say that again when we do this car build in Forza Horizon 5. But we're just gonna go for a random ride. See how the new car looks. Hey, I'm not the only one in this new car called the Camaro. The reason why this car came to the game because Forza and Jordan are the new partnership. So that's why this Camaro came to Forza Horizon 5 and Motorsport. Skill issue. Come on. So that's why there's only not that many people playing Forza Motorsport right now. Because this will go to FH5. Because by the time I'm recording this video, this will come in FH5 tomorrow. By the time this video comes out, yesterday. So yeah. Oh, skill issue. More skill issue. Let's see how we do. I don't know if we're going to be doing an Air Jordan challenge because I'm going to show you something real quick. Remember a couple of months ago, I show y'all these shoes. These almost look like Jordan 4s, but it's okay. But we only did the update 38 prediction video. I actually put the Camaro in the thumbnail, but I'm gonna say this is my favorite car that's coming to update 38 between this and the STI because this car that I'm driving right now in white, that's a Chevy, and we're a Chevy fan. That's because for Chevy because Nick owns a Chevy Camaro. My grandfather owns a Chevy Silverado 3500. Nick's friend owns the final edition Camaro, and my cousin owns two Chevys. I think one or two. If I look, I don't know, probably two or something like that. I don't know, probably two. And then most of the people that I see at church also own Chevy, but I'm not going to tell you because I'm not going to tell you all of my family members that owns a Chevy. Compared to Forza Motorsport, I'm beating everyone right now. And my mom and my uncle used to own an Australian car that's a Chevy, which is the Super Sport. If you saw my Twitter post on the not the gaming one, but the original one, it'll say, "What's your favorite Australian car?" And it also says, "I'll go first." And the picture, it says it's the car that's my favorite. Man, I wish this Chevy Super Sport was in Forza Horizon 5. If it was, I couldn't because I don't know what videos I'll link of what this car like, back in January we played Forza Horizon 3 for the Chevy SS, and across the line. Bone stock, it's a top of A class, so, really, why is the first option, oh, alright, there's 525 horsepower bone stock, 700 horsepower bone stock, and another 700. So let's go twin turbo transmission. Unfortunately, there's no engine swaps. Yeah, we can just put these on. Let's do show you my dad's looking. That means I have to leave it stock. Alright. No. More horsepower. Horsepower. But there's already a roof in there. And let's jump in. Let's see how the Chevrolet Camaro do with drag looking. I might have to tune this, but hopefully we're doing very good. I might have to try that one again. That took me 10 seconds to get. Alright, we're about to try this again. Hopefully we do not have a skill issue like we had. Because that took me 10 seconds to get there. Come on. And I crossed the line! That was a little bit slow. Let's try, with drag tires since, it doesn't work very well. Let's see how with drag tires do. Come on. I think this car's ready. Come on, let's go fast. .5. Alright, let's see if we can go a little bit faster than that. Come on. Just 9. I look like a pretty cool 69 tomorrow. I'm just gonna make another random build that y'all never saw before. If you're wondering and you did not get the car at all, this car is available from the auto shop also. Just a FYI. Alright. Let's see how the 69 Camaro Air Jordan Edition car do with a cool looking, should be without the wide body kit. But this is the same track from the drag build that we did. If I saw it do a burnout, it would be like, mommy, 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 mom. Yeah, just like that. Hey, there's one that's copying me. Just kidding. I'm just gonna jump in inside or something like that. Hopefully I don't get a skill issue. With that, you can go buy some skill issue hat. Free shipping for United States only. So let's get back to it. This is a bit of strategy for this AMC. That's a yellow. It was a yellow until they do it to the paint job that you get. Sorry that, and it looks like a fire. I could have took a screenshot and edited it, but I think that's a bad idea, so I just decided to tell you. This is one of the bit strange car that I'm racing. I officially made it to car level 3. Come on. Yes, we're beating the fire group. What? Come on. Watch me, e-brake. Wait, hold on. Let's try this again. That's a skill issue. Oh, shit. This is stupid! Skill issue! Stop it! You can't stop! We're gonna add the horsepower that... Alright, we'll make the rims nice. Put the wheels bone stock. Keep the same, everything. Upgrade this. I don't know if this car made, rear wheel drive. No. Alright. 1,000 horsepower. And let's try. What? There's no freaking nothing. What the heck, bro? Unfortunately, there's not that many, stuff that we can do to drift this car because... So, we're gonna get near... Let's try from here. Ready? Set, drift! Yep, I having a skill issue like one... Here, let's try this again. Hold on. Alright, ready? And do it! That's a little bit of skill issue happening, but let me know in the comments if it's a thumbs up, thumbs down, or somewhere in the middle. And I enjoy this car, but we'll get to check out this car again Friday in Forza Horizon 5.